All right, guys, thanks for coming back to CM's Garage, the final part of the Lawn Boy 3052. In this video, I've got a few things to do. I'm gonna put the carburetor on, the handle on, and the blade, and then we'll go ahead and get it running for you. Enjoy, stay tuned. So before I get started, I just want to show you what the mower looked like about a year ago when I first purchased it. It was pretty rough. All right, so let's go ahead and get this engine permanently mounted. We'll just pull the shroud off. I have a new muffler gasket.
Huh?
All right, before I could permanently attach the engine, I was waiting on my new muffler gasket. So let's go ahead and get that in place. All right, got the new muffler gasket on. Now we can go ahead and get the engine bolted on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this carburetor cleaned up a little bit more. A little bit of degreaser. Okay, so we've got the carburetor all cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and get that put back on. Okay, so we got the carburetor back on, we've got our air cleaner back on, I've got my governor functioning. All right, let's go ahead and get this handle on. All right, we got the mower on its side, so we're gonna go ahead and place the muffler on. We've got our blade on, our muffler on. All we need to do is flip this thing over and pour a little gas in it and see if it starts. Okay, so we wrapped up the last few things we needed to do to the 3052 to get it running. Let's get it started. So I'm gonna put a little bit of fuel down the fuel line because we don't have the shroud on right now. and of course there's no gas tank. So I'm gonna dump a little fuel down the fuel line, we'll get it running, see if it runs well, and then we'll go ahead and put the shroud back on and we'll do an actual pull start. All right, we got some gas in the carb. All right, we got the choke on. Let's see if she fires up. All right, let's go ahead and get this shroud put on. We'll get our choke hooked back up. All right, we've got our choke hooked back up. All right, let's go ahead and pull start it. All right, well there you go. The mower runs, it's fully restored. Man, this was a lot of work. For those of you who've been watching the project, I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming back to the channel and watching the final part. This will probably be my last mower project for quite a while. I think I'm gonna kind of just stick to the Beetle videos. If you haven't gone and watched those and you're interested in Volkswagen Beetles, I'm really enjoying working on my 68. So I think I'm gonna focus there, kind of get away from the mowers for a while. It's been fun. So I really appreciate everyone who subscribed and liked my videos. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next one. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.